I'm on my way to one of the craziest restaurants in Hong Kong. You're in for a treat. I'm taking you to Tung Po. So this is Tung Po, and as you can see, it's super popular. If you actually come back after 8 o'clock, the place is heaving. The music is so loud and people are dancing and drinking. They serve local seafood dishes, Cantonese dishes, but what I'm here for is their Winsan chicken. So all the food's arrived, and what we've got here is some fat oysters covered in salted duck egg yolk and then fried. We've got fried bean curd using dou miao, which is tender pea shoots. We've got some gailan with oyster sauce. But this is what I'm here for, their Winsan chicken. I'm just gonna go in, crispy, golden flecks of garlic. Lovely and moist and juicy on the inside. And the skin is crunchy and crispy. And there's a real deep savouriness. The garlic really makes it fragrant and aromatic. It's really, really good. The flavors of that Winsan chicken were unbelievable, and it's inspired me to create my roast chili garlic honey chicken. I've got a beautiful organic chicken here, so the first thing I want to do is to inject lots of flavor into this. So I'm going to go in with 8 grinds of sea salt, a teaspoon of ground white pepper. Next, I'm going to stuff the cavity with white onion, just quartered. Now, this couldn't be easier. I've got here some Lee Kum Kee chili-garlic sauce. Just gonna spread it all over. Spicy, garlicky flavor. Once you've covered the top side, just flip the chicken over. Do the same on the other side. So just cover the whole bird, and that's ready for the oven. We're gonna roast it at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Flip it over and do the same to the other side. And then we're gonna take it out, cover it all in honey, and then roast it for a further 15 minutes until it's golden. Look at that. I'm just gonna lift onto my serving plate, and then I'm just gonna sprinkle it with some dried fried onions. And this is inspired by the Winsan chicken. I'm gonna give it a nice oniony crunch and texture. Last but not least, I'm gonna serve this with a little bit of Lee Kum Kee's Oriental sesame dressing. And this is gonna impart a lovely, savory, fragrant note. So that's it. That's my roast chili garlic honey chicken.